Okay, in this video I'm just going to cover the basics of a stomp kick, which can be used also to apply in self-defense. Okay, so the stomp kick is kind of like an oblique kick. You're just going to hit with the heel. Okay, you bring it up in a 45-degree angle, and then from here thrust the thigh down, and then make contact with the heel on either the top of the thigh. Okay, if it's sport or for self-defense, you just hit right onto the knee and then thrust it down. Okay, so from here up and then thrust. It's important when you do this kick that you keep the hands up, that you're not dropping the hands in case anything's coming in. So you keep the hands up as you execute. There's two different ways that I like to do this kick. One is a stomping action. That's from here, stomping with the heel, making contact. The other one is kind of doing like a front kick. Instead of with the ball of the foot, you still hit with the heel. So you kick it out. So from here, it kicks out. So up and then kick it out. It has a snap kick action to it. It's like a snap front kick. Come up and then kick outwards. So you have a normal stomp kick, just thrusting down the thigh here, and then you also have a snapping action here. Okay? Thank you.